Let's make some money doing field agent. My name is Justin. I've been doing field agent for about 10 years, and it's a great side income, or it could be a great full-time job. We're doing a gig today at BJ's. This is one of my favorite places to do gigs at. So we're going to find the gig that we reserved. It's at the bottom. If you want to see a tutorial, I'll leave a link at the end for my tutorial on how to use this, but I'm just going to show you as I do one. I'm looking for the job. There it is. It's pallet display at BJ's. We're looking for the fall stock up pallets, and it's going to be right at the entrance of the store. That's why I was excited about doing this one. So now I'm going to go in the store and discreetly try to find where this display is, and when I do, it's going to tell me to take some pictures. So now I saw the display, so I clicked yes, and now it wants me to take a horizontal picture of the displays. Make sure your pictures are clear. Make sure you read the instructions so you don't waste your time and do the gig, because these could get denied. I've gotten a few of them denied before. So now I found the display. So there's the display. I'm going to take my vertical pictures. I put my phone down so people don't see that I'm taking pictures. Now I line up the picture, take another one. It wants this whole display. It told me I have up to 3 pictures, so I'm just making sure that everything is even and that they got the picture of what they are looking for. So there we go. I'm going to get one more from this angle because I don't think you saw that inside part of the corner. So I got that. Now I'm going to go look at the app again. So now it's going to ask me for the next one. It wants to see that big banner that was hanging above the section, which I saw. So now I'm going to click yes, I saw the banner. Now it wants me to take a picture of this banner. So that's what I'm going to do. A little bit hard being discreet, taking a picture of the sky, but I got it done without being noticed. There's my picture. Now it wants a picture of the back. So I'm going to go to the back side of it, get a picture of the back of this giant banner thing. And I think this is the last thing they asked for. So I'm just casually walking, got the picture, nice clear picture. There it is. And then it's going to ask me any comments. So that means you're done. If there was like an issue, you could write it in the comments. But if not, you could submit it. Now it is submitted. And then you just wait for it to get approved. So that gig went as smooth as could be. Took less than 5 minutes, I believe. The screen recording was the actual time it took for me to do it. Everything went smoothly. And then now I know that at this BJ for this specific gig, it's easy and takes less than 5 minutes. So if there's one 10, 15 minutes away, I know it's worth it traveling because I'll be able to get it done. Some of these gigs, you may do it and it might be really annoying or uncomfortable or awkward to get the pictures and stuff like that. And then you might get discouraged and then never use the app again, but keep doing it because you will find gigs like this that are super easy and super fun, where you just walk in, walk out, and you can make the money all day long. The only thing that went wrong with this gig is this BJ's doesn't have a food court. I was craving a hot dog for a good price and they didn't have it. But subscribe to this channel if you want to learn how to keep your home safe and how to make a little extra money for the bills. Thank you.